Hello everybody. Okay, we're back. We're going to make another roller bottle. This one is purposeful for anybody that is sick, doesn't want to get sick. Um, it's key to using oils every day so that you can be prepared to combat whatever comes your way instead of having it come your way and then put up your shield, right? It kind of like already lets the enemy in. We don't want to let the enemy in. So if we are keeping ourselves healthy by eating right, exercising properly, 4 to 6 days a week, being fully hydrated, which is half your body weight in ounces on a daily basis. That helps keeping your body flushed, removing toxins, the bad bugs, so that you're not keeping all of that in. So, okay, today we are going to do the immunity blend, which is going to be 3 drops frankincense, because this is for ultimate cellular health and a multitude of other great properties. So we'll do 3 drops of frankincense. We're going to do 13 drops of OnGuard. So doTERRA's OnGuard blend, you can see it says supplement facts, and it tells you what's in there. It is wild orange, clove bud, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So with this being warmer, having the clove and the cinnamon in it, that's one of the reasons why we put it in a roller ball to dilute, because this isn't one that you necessarily want to use without being diluted. It can create an irritation to your skin because those oils, cinnamon and clove, produce those warming properties. And if you don't like that, or if you're using it on a small child, it will feel really tingly and maybe feel like it's burning them. It's just bringing that blood to the surface. So we're going to use 13 drops of the OnGuard. 4, 5, 6, 13. Okay. And then here's the kicker. This is an amazing bacterial virus killer. Oregano, okay? Nature's antibiotic. We're going to do 4 of those. Possibly, if it wants to start working. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, so another reason why we want to pre-make these and have these ready is for when we feel that, oh, I feel kind of crummy, I need help. Like, let's get help before it's too late. So I'm saying that with this blend in particular because we're adding oregano. Oregano you don't want to use for longer than 10 days, which if you start using this at the onset of feeling crummy, you won't be sick for 10 days. If you were going to make a blend where you were just keeping up your immunity, I would do frankincense and oregano. And I would do maybe 5 drops of frankincense and 15 drops, not oregano, 5 drops of frankincense and 15 drops of OnGuard. That's just to use on a daily basis. And then when you do feel like you're getting crummy and you need extra help, this is when you would use the one that has the oregano in it to help kill off those viruses, okay, that your body has trouble killing off, and that you're not going to get any antibiotics to help you or anything besides rest and water and sleep, right? But nobody wants to miss work. Well, maybe you do. Not if you're a doTERRA person. You won't miss work, and you won't want to miss work because it's so fun. You get to make things like this and teach people how to use it. Anyway, super simple, so easy. Now you have this when you need it. And it's not like, oh, I have to go prepare this and I don't feel good. And you have it ready to go on the counter. This roller bottle might take you a season for your whole family, depending if you're using the other OnGuard bottle with just frankincense and OnGuard, because you're less likely to not feel well, okay? So let's work on being proactive and keeping away the yucks. So same thing, you want to use this on your pulse points, but here's the other kicker. With the OnGuard, it has wild orange in it, which is a citrus orange, and that can cause photosensitivity to people, especially if you have sensitive skin or fair skin. So if you're going to be in sunlight, I recommend using this on the back of your neck. Okay, if you have long hair, if you're a man and you're going to be out in the sun or something, don't use this on the back of your neck because you'll get possibly a little bit of reddening of the skin. You can use this on the other pulse points that we talked about. If you're going to be wearing clothes, you can do it on the inside of your elbow. Okay, because you can see those are, you know, where do people draw blood? Right there, because you've got good veins. So you can put that there. It gets into your bloodstream. And you're going to smell kind of like oregano. Okay, so this isn't something that you're going to be wearing as like a pleasant perfume. This is for a purpose of getting you better. So if that is going to be a smell or something that you don't think your employees or your counterparts are going to enjoy, smelling like a spaghetti factory, then you can put it on your other pulse points that are farther away from the nose. So you can put it behind your knee, around your ankles, or just on the bottom of your feet. If you slip your heels off, rub that on your feet, and then kind of let that soak in before you put your heels in. Otherwise, it gets kind of sloshy in there. I wouldn't know because I don't really wear heels. So I'm more barefoot and pregnant at home. Anyway, so the immunity blend. Having it on hand is huge. Having these oils is such a plus and such a perk for a healthy life. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know and stay tuned. We'll be making more things.